Hi. Let's learn about a loss carryback is when a business has a net operating loss and applies that loss to a prior year's tax return, resulting in an immediate refund of taxes previously paid. Loss carrybacks are similar to loss carryforwards, except that companies apply their net operating losses to preceding rather than subsequent years' incomes. A business can choose to waive the carryback period and only carry the loss forward. However, once the decision has been made to carry the loss forward, it cannot be reversed. NOL carryback is typically more beneficial than a carryforward due to the time value of money, showing that tax savings in the present are more valuable than in the future. The NOL carryback provision relating to federal income taxes was originally introduced as part of the Revenue Act of 1918. Over the years, the allowable duration for carryovers has been extended, decreased, omitted entirely, and reinstated. Tax loss carrybacks got new attention in September 2020 when the New York Times released details surrounding President Trump's 2009 tax return. The 2009 tax law allowed a 5-year NOL carryback provision for tax years 2008 and 2009, rather than the 2-year carryback provision that was in place at the time. This meant that NOLs incurred during 2008 and 2009 could be applied toward a refund of taxes previously paid in the 5 years preceding the loss. Here are 5 key takeaways. 1. A net operating loss, NOL, carryback allows a firm to apply a net operating loss to a previous year's tax return, for an immediate refund of prior taxes paid. 2. A tax loss carryforward, on the other hand, applies a tax loss toward future years' returns. 3. A carryback, and the resulting immediate refund of prior taxes paid, is typically more beneficial than a carryforward due to the time value of money. 4. NOL carryback provisions in the tax code have been increased, decreased, omitted entirely, and reinstated various times over the years. 5. It is important to be aware of the current state of carryback tax provisions. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.